understanding the challenges and fixing your mindset. Before we dive into speaking techniques, we need to understand why speaking is hard for many learners. If you know the problem, you can fix it. Common problems that stop you from speaking fluently. Problem 1. You think in your native language. Your brain translates every sentence instead of thinking in English. This makes you slow and unnatural when speaking. Solution. Train your brain to think directly in English. We'll cover exercises soon. Example. Instead of thinking, ¿Dónde está la estación de tren? Translating to English. Where is the train station? Think directly. Where is the train station? No translation. Problem 2. You fear making mistakes. You worry about grammar, pronunciation, or people judging you. This stops you from speaking at all. Solution. Mistakes are normal. Even native speakers make them. The goal is communication, not perfection. Example. Don't stress over grammar. If you say, she go to the store. Incorrect grammar. People still understand you. Fluency comes from practice, not perfection. Problem 3. You don't speak enough. You read and listen a lot, but don't practice speaking. Without practice, your brain won't get used to forming sentences quickly. Solution. Start active speaking exercises every day. Coming up in the next section. Problem 4. You don't hear enough native English. Many learners only study from textbooks and don't hear real spoken English. This makes it hard to understand fast, natural speech. Solution. Listen to native speakers daily. Movies and TV shows with subtitles, podcasts and audiobooks. Real conversations via language partners or AI apps. The more you listen, the better you speak. Daily speaking techniques and exercises. 2 hours. Now that we understand the problems, let's fix them with powerful speaking techniques. These exercises will train your brain to think and speak in English faster. Technique 1. The shadowing method. Copy native speakers. What is it? Listen to a sentence and repeat it immediately, copying the intonation and speed. How to do it. Find a short video or audio clip. News, movie scene, podcast. Play one sentence at a time. Pause and repeat exactly like the speaker. Focus on pronunciation, speed, and tone. Example. Clip from Harry Potter. You're a wizard, Harry. Repeat it exactly like the actor. Why does this work? You train your brain to speak naturally. You learn correct pronunciation and rhythm. Technique 2. The describe everything. Challenge. What is it? Look around and describe what you see in English. How to do it? Pick an object, e.g., a cup. Describe it in full sentences. Example. This is a cup. It is made of glass. I drink water from it every day. Why does this work? You train your brain to think in English. You speak without stress. Do this every day. Technique 3. 30-second speaking rule. What is it? Pick a random topic and speak for 30 seconds without stopping. How to do it? Pick a topic. For example, my morning routine. Set a timer for 30 seconds. Speak non-stop, even if you make mistakes. Example. Every morning I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth, make coffee, and read a book. Then I go to work. Why does this work? You train your brain to speak quickly. You stop hesitating. Try this with a friend or record yourself. Technique 4. Talk to AI and apps. What is it? Use AI tools like ChatGPT, Elsa Speak, HelloTalk, or Cambly to practice speaking. How to do it? Open ChatGPT. Type, "Can we have a conversation in English?" Speak your responses out loud. Why does this work? You practice speaking anytime, anywhere. You get instant feedback. Perfect for solo learners. Technique 5. Record yourself and listen back. What is it? Speak for 1 minute, record, and listen to your own voice. How to do it. Pick a topic. Speak and record yourself. Listen and find mistakes or weak areas. Why does this work? You hear your own pronunciation and fluency. You track progress over time. Speak, record, improve. These 5 techniques will train your brain to speak fluently. Pick 1 or 2 exercises every day and practice consistently. Now that you've mastered the basic speaking techniques, let's go deeper. In this section, we'll cover advanced fluency drills, pronunciation fixes, and real-life conversation strategies to take your English to the next level. Section 1. How to speak like a native. Advanced fluency drills drill. 1. Speed speaking challenge. What is it? You time yourself while speaking and gradually increase speed. How to do it? Pick a short text from a book, article, or dialogue. Read it slowly first. Read it again, but 10% faster. Keep increasing speed without losing clarity. Example, I went to the store to buy some milk, but they were out, so I got orange juice instead. Now say it 10% faster each time. Why does this work? You train your mouth muscles to speak faster. You reduce hesitation and overthinking. Speed equals fluency. Drill 2. The imitation game. What is it? Copy a native speaker exactly. Words, tone, and body language. How to do it? Find a short clip from a TV show or interview. Listen and repeat exactly like the speaker. Mimic their tone, rhythm, and facial expressions. Example, watch a clip from Friends. Joey, how you doing? Imitate his exact tone and body language. Why does this work? You train your ears and mouth to sound natural. You absorb native pronunciation and expressions. Copy natives. Speak like natives. Drill 3. The 3-2-1 speaking rule. What is it? Speak about a topic for 3 minutes, then 2 minutes, then 1 minute to improve speed and fluency. How to do it? Pick a topic. For example, my favorite movie. Speak for 3 minutes. Full details. Speak for 2 minutes. Faster. Fewer words. Speak for 1 minute. Only key points. Example. 3 minutes. My favorite movie is Inception because it has an amazing plot, great acting, and deep concepts about dreams and reality. 2 minutes. Inception is my favorite because of its unique story and acting. 1 minute. I love Inception for its smart plot and great actors. Why does this work? You train your brain to organize thoughts quickly. You learn to speak concisely and fluently. Do this with different topics daily. Fixing pronunciation and sounding more natural now. Let's work on pronunciation and natural speech patterns. Many learners struggle with certain sounds and stress patterns in English. Let's fix them. Pronunciation. Tip 1. Master the difficult English sounds. Common pronunciation mistakes. TH sound. Stick out your tongue slightly and say the H, like in think or this. R and L, often confused in different languages. V and W, some mix them up. How to fix it? TH sound. Stick out your tongue slightly and say the, like in think or this. R versus L. Say light and right slowly. Feel the difference. V versus W. Practice vary and worry. Focus on lip movement. Examples. Say these aloud. Think, this, that, thought. TH sound. Light, right, late, rate. L and R. Vary, worry, whine, vine. V and W. Why does this work? You train your mouth muscles for clear pronunciation. You avoid common pronunciation mistakes. Practice daily for a clear accent. Pronunciation. Tip 2. Master English rhythm and stress. English is a stress-timed language. Some words are stressed more than others. How to practice. Read a sentence naturally, then clap on the stressed words. Stretch the stressed words while speaking. Example. I love watching movies on the weekend. Clap on love, movies, weekend, stressed words. Why does this work? You sound more natural and expressive. You improve listening comprehension. Trust the right words to sound fluent. Section 3, Real-Life Speaking Strategies. Now, let's prepare you for real-life conversations. Speaking English fluently means being able to communicate easily in different situations. Situation 1, talking to strangers. Many learners feel nervous when talking to strangers in English. Let's fix that. How to do it. Use simple greetings. Hi. How are you? Ask easy questions. Where are you from? Use follow-up questions. Oh, that's cool. How long have you lived there? Why does this work? You learn to start easy conversations. You build confidence in speaking with new people. Try this in real life. Situation 2, ordering food at a restaurant. Ordering food is a great way to practice English. How to do it? Start with a greeting. Hi, I'd like to order, please. Be polite. Can I have a cheeseburger with fries? Check your order. So that's a cheeseburger and fries, right? Why does this work? You learn useful real-life English phrases. You become comfortable using English in public places. Practice this next time you go out to eat. Now you have advanced speaking drills, pronunciation tricks, and real-life conversation strategies. Keep practicing, and your fluency will skyrocket. Congratulations! You've learned speaking drills, pronunciation hacks, and real-life conversation strategies. But what if you still feel shy, nervous, or stuck while speaking English? In this final section, I'll teach you how to gain confidence, think in English, and speak fluently in any situation. Section 1, Overcoming Fear and Speaking with Confidence. The biggest problem learners face: fear of making mistakes, fear of people judging their accent, fear of not finding the right words. Let's fix this now. Building confidence and mastering real-world English. Congratulations, you've learned speaking drills, pronunciation hacks, and real-life conversation strategies. But what if you still feel shy, nervous, or stuck while speaking English? In this final section, I'll teach you how to gain confidence, think in English, and speak fluently in any situation. Section 1, Overcoming Fear and Speaking with Confidence. The biggest problem learners face: fear of making mistakes, fear of people judging their accent, fear of not finding the right words. Let's fix this now. Tip 1, the fake it till you make it. Trick act more confident than you feel. Stand tall, smile, and use hand gestures. Speak louder and slower. Rushing makes you sound nervous. Make eye contact. Don't look down. Example, instead of saying, I think maybe it's, possible. Say, yes, I believe it's possible. With confidence. Why? Your brain will believe you're confident. People will listen more attentively. Remember, even native speakers make mistakes. Confidence is more important than perfection. Tip 2, stop translating in your head. Why does translating slow you down? English and your native language have different word orders and expressions. Your brain wastes time switching between languages. How to fix it? Think in English daily. Describe your actions, surroundings, thoughts. Use pictures, not words. Visualize meanings instead of translating. Learn phrases, not single words. E.g., on my way, instead of I am coming. Example, instead of translating I am happy from your language, feel the word happy. Smile, say it naturally. Why? Your brain processes English faster. You speak more naturally without hesitation. Tip 3, use the mirror method to build fluency. How to do it? Stand in front of a mirror. Pick a topic and talk for 1 to 2 minutes. Observe your facial expressions and confidence. Example, look in the mirror and say, Today was a great day. I learned new English words and I feel more confident speaking. Why? You eliminate fear because you're practicing alone. You build fluency by speaking nonstop. Section 2. Thinking in English and responding faster. Now, let's train your brain to think in English fast and respond quickly without hesitation. Tip 1. The Quick Response Challenge. Train your brain to answer fast. How to do it? Set a timer, 5 seconds. Look at a random object and describe it immediately. Don't stop, even if you make mistakes. Example. Look at a pen. Say, "This is a blue pen. I use it to write notes. It's small and easy to carry." Why? Your brain learns to form sentences quickly. You stop overthinking while speaking. Tip 2. The yes and trick. Never let conversations die. Keep them going. How to do it? When someone speaks, never say just yes or no. Instead, add information using yes and. Why? You keep conversations flowing. You sound more engaging and fluent. Section 3. Real-life speaking challenges. Final 45 minutes. Now, it's time for a real test. Here are some challenges to boost your confidence and make you fluent. Challenge 1. The 1-minute nonstop talking game goal. Speak for 1 minute without stopping. How to do it? Pick a random topic. Your day, hobbies, weekend plans. Talk nonstop, even if you make mistakes. Repeat daily. It gets easier over time. Why? You train your brain to keep speaking. You stop pausing and hesitating. Challenge 2. The Public Speaking Confidence Test. Goal: speak English in front of others. How to do it? Record a short video talking about anything. Post it on social media, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. Watch your progress after a few weeks. Why? You gain confidence speaking in front of people. You stop worrying about mistakes and judgment. Challenge 3. The Stranger Chat Test. Goal: have a real conversation with a stranger in English. How to do it? Go to a coffee shop or public place. Start a small conversation, e.g., "Nice weather today, right?" Keep practicing until you feel natural. Why? You train real-world speaking skills. You stop feeling nervous speaking to people. Now it's your turn. Keep practicing these techniques every day and you'll become fluent faster than ever. Final challenge. Record a video of yourself speaking English for 1 minute and post it online. You're now on your way to mastering English.